This video explains how to buy shares of Altria Group Inc., a leading U.S. tobacco company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker MO. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. And investing involves risks, so do your own research. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will typically need to verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MO to locate Altria Group Inc. Select the result showing Altria Group Inc. on NASDAQ to open its stock page. The stock page displays a short company profile and the price chart for reference. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker MO so you are sure it is the correct asset. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to deposit money before the purchase completes. Once executed, your Altria position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. For the same eToro example, check the link in the video description if you want to follow the steps shown.